What is up, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope everyone is having a great day. Today I'm gonna be taking you guys with me on another vending machine collection day. Well, actually not really a collection day. We're gonna be going to a few locations, I think 5. It's gonna be 3 soda and snack machine locations, and then the other 2 is gonna be gumball machine locations. And also, by the way, before we get into the video, we did make a brand new channel. I've seen a few comments on people saying that we should make a separate channel for like pranks and challenges, or basically all the other random stuff that you guys want to see. So I will leave the link down below to the brand new channel. Go check it out, go subscribe. There should be a video up on the channel already, so go check it out. But anyways, let's get into the video. So we got quite a few things that we're taking. I got this whole bag full of candy. We got the backpack, another bag full of parts, and those 2. So hopefully we can take everything in one trip. You think so?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so right now we're actually at our second home, which of course, it's Sam's. I think I would say out of 7 days of the week, we are here, maybe like 7. Baby, we should get a trampoline. You think it can fit in the apartment? Maybe in the living room.
Baby.
Guys, so right now they actually have a bunch of different types of things at Sam's. For example, this. Look at this. I've never seen this before. What do you think? You think it's gonna be good?
No.
It's Hershey's and Reese's mixed together. Let me know if I should buy it, and maybe next time we come, I'll put it in a machine and see how it does. All right, we need cinnamon rolls. What else do we need? Let's see. I'm not sure if you guys remember the very first time I put these in the machine, and we found out that they actually sell really good. So we do buy them from now on. You actually didn't like those, right?
No. You couldn't even taste the almond.
Really?
Yeah, they're like in tiny pieces, so like it's like not even there.
And of course, we are going to a few candy machines, so we do need Skittles, peanut M&Ms, and regular M&Ms.
Yeah, Diet Coke, Sprite, Dr. Pepper.
All right, so since we already have one Sprite over there, and then like, oh, why is it all wet? Look at that. Thanks, baby. All right, guys, so I completely forgot that we had drinks in the car, so that's why she went back. She took one for the team and went to go check what we had. But yeah, I took one of the Sprites back since we got one already. Almost forgot these. Thank you, Jaime. Thanks for being a 2-year member. Been here for 2 years. Baby, you should work here. You wanna work here? You can get discounts. Actually, they don't. They don't get discounts.
Really?
Yeah. You gotta fly in your face. Alright, so even though we do have a bigger car now, it feels like we're running out of space again. Like, we have a whole bunch of stuff back here. Right here, like I said, we do have all the candy and, you know, M&M's, Skittles. And right there, we got a bag full of parts, just in case one of the machines needs something else. Guys, I'm so tired. What time did we go to sleep last night, baby? Like 1 a.m., I think? We slept at 1, and we woke up at like 5 in the morning. I slept like half the way over here, because it is 1 hour away. Alright, so let's see what we need. Let's go ahead and take out the dolly. And I think we only need 1 Coke, 1 Mountain Dew, and I think that's pretty much it. Oh no, we were just at Sam's, and guess what I forgot? The Monster. Can't forget the keys. Alright guys, so we actually got my girlfriend doing the soda machine this time. So you got it, baby? Like, you know how it goes?
Yeah, now I do.
Alright, let me know if you need help, okay?
Okay.
Alright, but anyways, while she does the soda machine over there, I will be doing the snack machine. And check this out, we got 4 empty slots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, I can see Ruffles didn't really sell that good this time. Cheetos did really good. There's only 1 left. Doritos, there's 2. How's my baby doing over there? You doing good?
Except the brisk is not my fault.
The what?
Look at the brisk.
The soda machine did really good this time. Look at all this. That's just for 1 week.
Really?
Yeah.
Dang, baby.
For your Chipotle today or what?
Really?
You love Chipotle, right?
Yeah.
Guys, I just made the popcorn right now. It smells so good, and I see you eyeballing it. You don't want some? It smells so good.
Buttery.
Too buttery? It's free. Alright guys, so we're at the next location, and check this out. Alright guys, so look, it's been 7 days since the last time we came to this location, right? But look, for Coke cans, we sold 63 cans, baby. Can you believe that? In 1 week, 7 days, 63 cans of soda. Like, how did they go through that much soda in 7 days?
Baby.
Still, but that's not all. Look, Dr. Pepper, 39 cans sold. I mean, I guess it is pretty hot, so that's why they do go through so much soda, right? Because, I came outside and it is hot. Oh, somebody's tired. They drink soda like it's water, but I mean, I guess I can't complain. You know, I'm still making money. Alright guys, so look, we're only restocking the soda machine today, not the snack machine. But look, it's been 7 days and we already have two slots empty. I hate when that happens, like either one falls or somebody shakes the machine. Guys, so look, the only thing I hate about having machines at a warehouse is this. There is always spider webs. Oh, look, that's a spider right there. I'm not even gonna touch it. You guys can't see it, but it's gonna jump.
Scares you, not me.
Sometimes they even get inside the machine, so I have to, like, you know, break the webs and stuff, like they're home, kill a few spiders. I feel bad, but you know. Alright, but yeah, you guys can see the Coke is low. Let's see what else. That's pretty much the only thing. Gatorade is empty, so we got Gatorade. Alright guys, so there we go. We got the Coke all the way filled up. I think there's about 96 cans of Coke, so I mean, that should be good for the next maybe 2 days. Anyways, let's check how much money we got. I'm not gonna take it out today, but I just want to see how much there is in here. So let me see. There you go. You guys can kind of see it. Again, I'm not gonna take it out, but you see it?
Chipotle part 2?
No. Alright guys, so look, check this out. Look, listen.
Hey buddy, get your machine here. It's not accepting dollars or change. Just let you know.
Alright, so I'm not sure if you guys could hear, but we got a missed call from this location which we are at right now. Basically, the snack machine is not taking any dollars, any coins, like nothing. Like the snack machine is just not working. Either it doesn't take bills, either it doesn't take coins, the machine turns off. To be honest, I've actually been thinking about selling this location, but actually what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna replace the snack machine with a different one. If not, I could lose the location, and we don't want that, of course. You know, we can't. I've never lost a location, and it's not gonna be the first one. Right. I mean, if it's not taking any bills or any coins, I think either the coin mechanism is out of change or maybe something stuck, you know? It has to be one of those two. All right, let's see. Well, I think they were right, because I mean, look, nothing is gone. Literally, everything is still pretty much empty. I mean, full. All right, so I got $1 in. We got $1 credit. So far, it looks like it works. Let me try something and see. Let's see. I pressed it. Is it gonna work? And I mean, there we go.
You got it fixed, man?
What'd you say was wrong with it? It just doesn't take anything? Cause
it wasn't taking anything, cards either.
So before we go, let me test it out one more time. I actually turned it off, so let me turn it back on and see if it works. All right, let's see. You gotta wait like 10-15 seconds until it takes it. You see, finally, it shows the $1 credit. Let's get the change back. Change. Hello? Alright, so of course, we couldn't figure out what was wrong with the machine again. So like I said, we are gonna be replacing it soon. I was actually looking at this machine right here. So look, this is the machine I was gonna get. It's bigger than the one I have in there right now. It's a good brand. The machine looks good. The thing is that it is $1,425.
Just for one?
For one machine. I've never paid that much for one machine. The most I've ever paid for one machine, I think $550. Like, I've never paid more than $550 for a machine. That's the struggle about having a vending machine business. Machines break, you know, I don't know. I still think it's worth it though, but... Or should I get this one? A claw machine. Put a claw machine instead of a snack machine, but instead of toys, like food, like snacks. And they have to like grab the snack that they want. Imagine that. What if they don't win? Like they spend like $10 on the claw machine to get a bag of chips. Yeah. I don't know. So we're actually about to try something new for the first time ever, which is El Pollo Loco.
Spicy serrano.
Spicy what?
Serrano.
I can't believe we've never been here.
So good, baby. I think I'm gonna get that.
What is that, quesadilla or what?
Basically.
I'm looking for this, like that's what I want. It's a bowl of chicken with corn and avocado, but I can't see it. All right, so a quick little food vlog for you guys. Of course, we gotta eat in the car because we do have a whole bunch of candy and chocolate in the back. We can't let that melt, you know? So what are we supposed to do with this?
They gave us another one, calm down.
Oh, all right, I was about to say. All right, let's see, can you guys smell that? Look, smell it. It smells pretty good. Look, there we go. Everyone open your noses right now. That's pretty good. I think that's good. Alright guys, so we're finally at one of our candy machine locations, which it is a Pep Boys. You guys know we came last time. And this is actually the location where we couldn't take out the coins from the candy thing inside. So what I'm gonna do is I brought an extra one. I'm gonna just switch it out and basically see if I can open it back at home, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got one inside. We have an extra coin mech just in case we need it. And pretty much the only thing we have to put in that machine is peanuts. So I'm gonna go ahead and put both cases in, yeah. I hate these gloves because they always break. It takes forever, right? You gotta keep spinning it and spinning it and spinning it. So this one's the one with the coins, this one's the empty one, so I'm gonna just put the empty one in there. There we go, so now we got an empty one in there. Alright, let's get that label on there, make sure it's straight. Does that look good? Wait, it's like stuck to the glove. It's crooked.
It is?
Yeah. You think it's gonna work? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna put a quarter in and let's see. Oh, it worked. Look at all that though. You think it's too much or is it a little bit? Alright, so I put one of these labels, right? But of course, look at that. Of course, out of all the places I could have put it. Now I gotta use the other one. Alright, I guess at the very bottom. Alright, so we are finally done with that first location and check this out. So this is what I was talking about, but this thing is full of coins, look. This thing is pretty heavy. I would say it's at least to like, let's see, I would say right there. Alright y'all, so we are at a different location now. What's this one? Like the 5th location we've been to today? Right. No, don't show them that. Don't show them that. This next location is another Pep Boys. Like, how many Pep Boys locations do we have? I think 3 or 4. Half of the candy locations that we got are all Pep Boys. But anyways, before we go inside, let me check what types of candies we got in this location. So he has a red, white, and blue Skittles. He has hot tamales. What? Alright, so like this is actually the same machine as over there, but there's peanut M&Ms, gum, which good thing we brought some actually, you know, because it's empty, and regular Skittles, and look, they actually do have hot tamales. I'm gonna cover the number this time because last time everyone was calling it. Alright, so this one actually doesn't have a label, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in. I think this one just goes in there just like that. Yeah. Oh wait, look at that. Finally, one that we can open. And of course, before we go, always gotta clean it. Make sure it looks all clean and shiny. It works. Alright, what's up you guys? So it is actually the next day now, and before we end the video, we still have all the money we collected yesterday from the machines. So let's count it real quick. Well, actually, I got some bad news. I tried to open this thing again. I tried every single key, and none of these keys open this up. So I really have no idea how to open it and take the money out. It's metal. Like this thing is hard metal. I can't take the money out.
You want me to pick it out?
With the bobby pin?
Yeah.
You think you can?
No.
I mean, I guess I can shake it out. Hey, I got 50 cents. There we go, we got $1. But we do have the money from the first location we went to. Let me count this real quick and I'll let you guys know how much it is. I'm pretty good at guessing how much money it is just by touching it. I would say this is about 100.
110.
110? That was pretty close. Alright, y'all, so in bills, we made $110. In coins, we only got $3. But in credit card sales, we made $131 in just credit cards. So how much is that all together? 131 plus 110. The grand total for that first location was $244 for 7 days. 7 days. I don't know, maybe if I just keep throwing it on the floor outside, it'll crack eventually, right? Like the top, because the top is plastic. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If y'all did enjoy, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And also, like I said at the beginning, we did make a brand new channel, so go check it out, go subscribe. We do have one video uploaded already, and we should be doing some pranks in the future. Are you ready, baby, for some pranks?
Are you?
Wait, what do you mean? Are you gonna prank me?
You think I won't?
I don't think so. I really don't think you're gonna prank me. But anyways, we'll see you guys next time. Peace out, and we love you guys. Subscribe.